What up? It's your girl Matt and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last time you were here, we were redoing my kitchen countertops and we painted these cuties. Yes, just like this. And today I'm going to repaint these. It's gonna actually take me a few days, but this video will be just about a few minutes. So hang out with me. Let me show you how I'm gonna repaint this Formica Backsplash into something really cute, and I'm super excited. We went from ugly brown to this cute white diamond with the Gianni paint. Go find that video if you're interested, but let's get to this. I blue taped everything, and I actually put this paper down because this is a fresh new countertop and it's still setting. Technically have like 4 more days before I am allowed to really put anything on. It's 14 days. So this is what we're using. This is I have no idea, some kind of enamel for indoor, outdoor from Bears. The guy recommended, we went with white. I'm using white, and then I'm gonna do 2 other colors on top. Here is the actual inspiration. So let's get to this one. Alrighty. Step 1 is gonna be to do the outline, like the border. So I'm gonna do that with a paintbrush. We're gonna do the border, and then we're gonna roll the rest. Let's get to it. This is gonna be sped up because I'm putting it on time lapse.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I can find. I need a new purpose. I'm looking for so much more.
Okay, we're on day 2 of painting the backsplash. It is a little splotchy, so I'm hoping after this one it looks a little better.
Times are getting crazy, and everything seems hazy. Is there some place for safety I can go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. You're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away.
We are officially gonna do 3 coats of this. It looks pretty good today. It was really splotchy after day 1. We waited actually a full 24 hours. We're probably on like 36 hours because we live in a high humidity place, so this is a little tacky. We also want it to look really good, so we are working on our 3rd coat, 3 coats, and then I have 1 more cute little paint layer and then a top layer.
Here's a red solo cup.
Go down or up, I don't know. Longer? Yeah, I gotta go all the way to the line. I think that's good, right? At this point, I was like, screw it. And I just grabbed my yardstick and then went across. So I just had an even line from the top. I used the blue paint. That's the same color as my cabinets. It's just a satin enamel, regular paint. And I freehanded all these lines. And just a heads up, because I'm gonna actually be doing another line over this. This is a whole extra step. 1 step is the blue line, and then the 2nd step is gonna be the secondary line. I had to give it some time in between, but I did all the blue lines first and then went back after to do the gray lines. I used the gray that was in my Gianni paint kit for the 2nd dash line. I had a lot left over and I was trying to save money, so this is what I did. This part was way faster than doing the dashes because obviously you kind of have an outline. I think I did this entire dash 2nd loop in like a matter of 30 minutes. And then our final step for this is just gonna roll on that top coat. I used the glitter top coat for my countertop. I had leftover. Once again, save money. Use what you have. If it works on my countertop, it'll work on the backsplash. And it was literally just enough. I finished all of the top coat. It was great.
I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching. just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety?
And that's a wrap. Finished up my kitchen countertops. Next one is going to be painting my dishwasher. So subscribe if you're interested in more DIYs, thrift hauls, and things like that. It's your girl Mad. Peace out.